Good morning, children. Today we are going to see worksheet 5 and 6. Key concepts: children with special needs, old people, Braille script. Learning outcomes. Understand the reasons for some people who cannot hear or speak properly and some people who cannot see. Know that they must care the old people and the children with special needs and help them in whatever they needed. Know that the visually challenged use Braille script to read. Identify the importance of celebrating 3rd December of every year as World Differently Abled Persons Day and 1st October of every year as the Senior Citizens Day. Conceptual understanding. Some people cannot hear or speak properly. Some people can't walk and some can't see. What difficulties do these people face? We should help these people in whatever they needed. Similarly, some people cannot work due to ill health or accidents. In the same way, old people cannot do everything by themselves. We should be aware of their needs and help them. Here first question. Who are called children with special needs? Children who need extra support and additional services and special care are called children with special needs. They cannot do their work by themselves. They need support. How do you identify them? By observing them, we can identify them. How? If a child's performance show significant differences compared with other children of the same age is a child with special needs. Means if a child is not able to do his work as other children of the same age, is a child with special needs. Example, he is not able to walk, hear, see, speak, etc. Right? How do you help the children with special needs and the old people? We should help these people in whatever they needed. In the same way, old people cannot do everything by themselves. We should be aware of their needs and help them. Number 3. Imagine living a day blindfolding yourself. How would you go to school, learn and play with friends, write briefly? Right. Living a day blindfolded is a difficult task. I could not attend my daily work. I went to school with the help of my parents but could not identify anyone or read and write. I was unable to play with my friends during games period. Children, with this we wrote in our classwork, see and write. Self-assessment number 5. How can we help the children with special needs? A. People who cannot see. They can use Braille script to read. B. People who cannot hear. They can use hearing machine. C. People who cannot speak. They can learn and use sign language. D. People who cannot walk. They can use walking stick or wheelchair. E. Help to the old people. We should be aware of their needs and help them. Now second bit is match the following. World Differently Abled Persons Day, World Women's Day, World Senior Citizens Day. March 8, October 1, December 3. Let us match now. World Differently Abled Persons Day is December 3rd. World Women's Day is March 8th. World Senior Citizens Day is October 1st. Now let us pass to lesson number 2. Who does what work? That is worksheet number 6. Key concepts. Different kinds of work done by the family members. Kinds of work done to earn income. Learning outcomes. Understand that the members of a family work to meet the needs of the family. Recognize that the elders of the family work in the fields, companies, offices, etc. to earn income for the family. Understand that the members of a family do different kinds of work in and outside the house to meet the domestic needs. Conceptual understanding. All the family members do different kinds of work. Children help the elders in the household work. Why do the elders of the family do the work? The elders of the family work to earn income to maintain their family. This we wrote in our classwork. Encircle the works of the following that give income: cooking, weaving the baskets, sweeping the house, making the pots, having the meals, selling the fruits. Here we have to encircle the works of the following that give income or money. Shall we circle cooking? No. Next, weaving the baskets? Yes, this we have to circle. Sweeping the house? No. Making the pots? Yes, you have to circle this. Having the meals? No. Selling the fruits? Yes, because we will get money. Number 3, fill in the table with the kinds of work done by your family members. First column, name of the family member, work done at home. First, I write here father. Work done at home brings provisions. Next, mother cooks food. Next, grandfather brings vegetables. Then, grandmother cleans the house. Next, elder brother brings provisions. Self-assessment number 6. Observe the pictures and write down the work being done. First picture, see, the boy is sweeping the surroundings of the house. Second picture, the girl is fetching water from outside. Third picture, father is cooking and the mother is bringing vessel into the hall. Answer the following questions. What kind of work you do at home? See the surrounding of the house, cleans the house, arrange books properly in the shelf, helps mother in household work, watering plants, etc. Right? What are the different kinds of daily work we have at home? Yes, cleaning the house, cleaning the surroundings at house, arranging books properly, watering the plants, etc. Now, bit number 3, match the following. First picture, see children. Here one spectacle is there, gas stove, bag, then one man is ploughing the field. This side, mother, grandfather, father, sister. First one, who will use spectacles? Who will use? Grandfather. Yes. Gas stove, mother. Bag, sister. Last picture is father. Fourth bit is draw the picture of container you used to fetch the water at your home. You can draw here pot or bucket. Yes. Okay, let us wind up today. Take care, children. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.